Are you having trouble deciding if you either want to order pre-printed labels or blank labels? Don't worry. The label experts are here to guide you in the right direction. Each option has their own pros and cons. Let's start with pre-printed labels first. Pre-printed labels can have many benefits. This includes custom colors, logos, and graphics. Another benefit to having your labels pre-printed is that we can print them directly from your Excel spreadsheet you provide us. We can even lay out your barcodes and test scan them. But if you have lamination in mind, our very high-end equipment can get the job done. But if ordering your labels pre-printed sounds very overwhelming to you, you can always resort to getting blank labels. This can give you more control and flexibility. Blank labels allow you to print one at a time, fulfilling your on-demand needs. This makes getting your labels very time efficient. But of course, there is a lot that comes to ordering blank labels. You would have to get all the necessary equipment like a printer and a scanner. Training and learning is required on top of that to using these printers and programs. But our tech support is here to help you. Whether you choose pre-printed or blank labels, the label experts here at Electronic Imaging Materials are here to help. Give us a call or an email today.